Alright folks, Looking for Lunkers back out here with you on the water. I'm out here today with my buddy Dinkin with the white. We out here with the big motor frozen up. It's so cold out here, y'all, that I can't fire the motor up because I ain't got no water flow. I'm waiting on it to thaw out. That's okay. The white there, he trolled us up here while I played with it. All right, y'all, we gonna make us a cast or two right here. That's a 1/32 ounce trout magnet jig head with a 1-inch gulp minnow tied to that's tied with a loop knot on 4-pound test fluorocarbon to a 6-pound test braid main line. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. You see that knot? You see where my knot and all right, folks, y'all see that knot right there? My line's sinking. That leader right there is about 11.5 foot long. It's my knot on the reel. My knot is at the reel, and my leader comes down to the butt end of the rod. Okay, that's about and this is a 6.5 foot rod. That's about 11.5 foot leader. Now, when my fluorocarbon gets parallel on that knot, I know I'm that deep. Okay, it's just a little indicator, and you'll find sometimes you want your knot to be about 1 foot off the water, and that's about how deep you want to be. You'll find sometimes that you want your knot to be right at the water level. Okay. You can just time that out, y'all. Let her sink. We're probably gonna throw a split shot on before it's over with, because I feel like these fish, if they're gonna bite, they're gonna bite deep. So you gotta figure out how long to let it drop straight down, y'all. And then you gotta figure out how much of a bow you wanna keep in your line as you bring it back. There's one right there. Oh yeah, it's a good one too. I mean, he ain't huge, but he's a good eater size. You say the box froze out? So let's see if we can open it up right here. All right, let's see if we can get some water in there. It may still be frozen. It is. Do you hear it turning? No, it's froze up. So we can either put them in there, which that's frozen. Yeah, yeah. There's ice in there. I mean, we could store them in there, you think? Yeah, that means whatever we keep, whatever we put in there, we're keeping. All right, he's not even that big. No, he ain't big enough to keep, y'all. He's pretty, but I was considering just throwing it in the live well, and with no water in it. There he goes. Huh. Well, I don't know what we'll do. Might just not even keep fish. There he is. Oh yeah, where's that net? a nice one right there, y'all. Let's take a look at him. That's a nice crappie right there, folks. Yep, we're gonna put him in the bucket. But I'm gonna have to fill the bucket up manually, unfortunately. You wanna get up there and move us around, get us back in position? Because this is going to take me a minute. We'll drift a half a mile. All right. Whew, that was a chore. There he is. Let me get the net for you. Here. Oh. Oh my goodness. That's a beast right there, boys.
Hey,
That might be a 3-pounder.
Let me get my finger out here. Alright. We'll go.
Hell yeah. And get you. Well, here you go. I already got a picture.
Oh, you got one?
Well, just hold her up there. Hell yeah. That's alright. That with that big gulp?
Yeah, and I threw a big split shot on it and just started slinging it through there.
That treetop is right in there somewhere. And I don't know what that was. Look here. There he is. Where's the net? Well, I'm gonna flip him. Yeah, it's not big, but it's better than what I have been catching around here. Most of the fish I've been catching around here has all been small. The big ones just didn't settle in here. And you reeled him all the way up to the tip.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I didn't even know you caught one. I didn't hear you. I heard you say something, but I didn't turn around. Hell yeah, that's a keeper. How deep was he? Just a swimming.
Just a swim. John Anderson was with me.
About 9 seconds. Yeah, he got it. Oh, little crappie. Check this little guy out. This is the kind of crappie I've caught here all year long, man. They're here. They're tiny. Fish. Oh, don't. Oh. That's a good one. Oh, what have I got here? Yeah. I'm you're catching fish. I'm catching dinks. I'm netting and catching some dinks. Gills. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. For Jonathan. For Jonathan. Man, that was exciting. I got yours in the net, and then I got a bite all at the same time. I guess I need to get that net back.
Yeah, I need to both of us get used to it being in a spot.
Look here, y'all. When you're frying up your crappie, get your grease about 350 degrees, okay? When you put your crappie in the pan, start it off meat side down. And I'm talking you've already filleted it and everything. You filleted it off the skin. But one side is the skin side and one side is the meat side, right? You start it off in the pan, meat side down. And you let that cook. And then you flip it over to skin side down just for a shorter amount of time. And the fresher the crappie is, this is how it cooks. That's how you get those nice splits down the section, is you have to start it off meat side down. Okay? If you don't start it off meat side down, you won't get those good splits. If it's ever been frozen, you won't get those good splits. Always make sure and cook your eggs. Cook your eggs first. I'm gonna eat a pack. That's crappie eggs right there, y'all. That's a crappie roe. If you're catching, when you're catching crappie full of eggs, you should eat the eggs. Now I'm about to flip these bad boys. Take them out.